So hi everyone, it's 14 Jan today and we are having a look over NTPC green energy charts. So this is the daily time frame, and if we look properly there is a downtrend going on in NTPC. If I just remove these lines, you can see there's a clear downtrend going on. It's still in downtrend only, like there is no breakout or break even right now. So the downside movement has been continuing, and currently on 16-17 December the same level was reached and it bounced back to 97 level. It was like a 10% gain, and now the NTPC share is back at the same level. So what all can we expect in this share? So their low is 86. If we see, if I just open up this, here it is, and if we just get a line here, this can be a low. That's the maximum low. So, and there is a trend line, if you can clearly notice. This is the trend line touching all these highs. These are lows, high, low, high, low, high. So all these highs have been touching. So this is a trend line which is passing through the charts, and now the NTPC is at level 91.75. all right, so the support can be 89.88, almost 90 can be the support, which is 1.75 points down, and the resistance could be 97. So there's a huge difference, like it will be 7 to 8% gap, and this can be a good scalp if this trend line isn't like supported. If the NTPC candle breaks the trend line and goes upside, the 97 level is also not that strong level. It can be broken easily, and this level will be a strong resistance for NTPC. So if the trend line is broken and a single red candle and then retested, we can see some good trades in NTPC, I would say. So this can be a good share to keep in watch, and this can be a good swing trade also. So have an eye and keep watching NTPC.